Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to sign up for Bybit, complete KYC verification, and set up security, all in a simple way for beginners. First, let's look at the procedure for joining Binance. Please install a Bybit mobile app on your phone. After the installation finishes, open the app. Tap the Sign Up Login button at the bottom of the screen to begin. Next, look at the top right corner and tap on Sign Up. You will now be asked to select your nationality. After you've selected your nationality, simply tap Register Now at the bottom. You can choose to register using either your email address or your mobile phone number. In the referral code section, enter SKY333 to receive a 20% fee discount and extra bonus rewards. Once the code is entered, a message will pop up confirming that your exclusive rewards have been activated. At the bottom, tick the agreement box, then tap Sign Up Now to move forward. To complete the security check, slide the puzzle to the right. Now, enter the verification code that was just sent to your email or phone. You will now be prompted to create a password. Your password needs to be at least 8 digits long and must include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Once you're all set, tap Sign Up Now to finish your registration. Your Bybit account has now been created successfully. Next, let's proceed with KYC verification. You need to complete this verification to enable essential features like deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Tap Verify My Identity to get started. First, select the country where you are currently residing. Then, proceed directly to the ID verification step. Choose the specific type of identification you're going to submit. For the sake of this guide, we will be using a passport. Get your ID ready and tap Continue. Tap Continue once more to keep moving forward. Carefully align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. Next, the app will lead you through the facial verification process. Just move your face or blink as instructed to complete the verification. And that's it. Your identity verification submission is now complete. The review process usually takes about an hour to be finalized. Once it's approved, you'll see your account status change to verified. Now, let's make your account even safer by setting up additional security. From the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the upper right area. Open the security menu. We will enable Google two-factor authentication for stronger protection. Tap Activate to begin the process. If the app asks, go ahead and complete the email or phone verification step first. The Google Authenticator setup screen will now appear. Install the Google Authenticator app, and tap Continue. You will see a setup key displayed right there on the screen. Make sure to copy that setup key. Now, open your Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon and select, enter a setup key. For the account name, type Bybit. Paste the setup key you just copied into the key input field. A 6-digit code labeled Bybit will now appear. Copy this code and return to the Bybit app. Tap Next, then enter the 6-digit code into the field provided. Once confirmed, your Google Authenticator setup is officially complete. Today, we learned how to sign up for Bybit, complete KYC verification, and set up security. Don't forget, you have to sign up through the link at the bottom of the video to lock in your exclusive fee discount. Thank you so much for watching.